Well, check out these before and after pictures. Radio frequency heat was used to tighten the skin, creating a younger, better look.
Dr. Deborah Mangione joins us now from the Wisconsin Vein Center and Medi Spa to tell us more about this particular treatment. We're going to let you pronounce it because I was working on it during the break. It's Exilis?
Exilis.
Exilis.
Exilis Elite, yes.
Exilis Elite. So this is something that can be used both for the face as well as the body?
That's right. Face, neck, arms, any part of the body, because there are two different aspects to it. With the new science they've been able to develop, they're actually able to deliver heat at different levels. So they can kind of sense if you need to have the heat delivered to a deeper fat layer or just to the skin. And so by adjusting that, we're able to not only melt some fat and tighten the skin of that same area, or just do skin tightening like we would do on the face.
Okay. So it melts the fat, you said?
Yes.
So it works through radio frequency.
Through radio frequency heat.
And then when are you seeing results, and exactly how does that work?
Usually you start to see results in about 2 to 3 weeks for the fat loss part. But the skin tightening takes longer because skin tightening involves rebuilding collagen. So like anything else that we do for skin tightening, you might not see the best result for 3 to 6 months.
Okay.
And there's kind of a little side temporary effect with this, isn't
well,
there?
when you do it on the face, and it's very interesting because we can do half a face and then have somebody sit up and look at themselves in the mirror, and they will notice an improvement right away. They'll notice some tightening, elevation of the brow, you know, and fewer lines. And that lasts about 24, 48 hours. So it's a great thing to do if you're going out that night.
This picture is just Exilis?
Yes, that's Exilis alone.
Wow.
So we're able to melt the fat underneath the chin and to tighten up the skin at the same time.
Because it's one thing to get rid of the fat, but to tighten the skin
right.
too.
Yeah.
Exactly.
So what about somebody who's gained or lost a lot of weight? Does it work on that, or is that something surgically you need to do?
Well, if somebody's gained and lost a lot of weight, frequently they have excess skin. And so this will work very, very well on that to tighten it. You know, if it's really excessive skin, you might need to have some kind of removal of that, a paniculectomy they call it, or a tummy tuck type thing. But this really will work and tighten the skin even when it's excessively loose.
Okay.
So it'll definitely make it improve.
And talk about combining treatments, because people can use Vanquish as well.
Yes,
with
now
this.
Vanquish is the newest type of radio frequency that we've started doing, where people just lie under a platform that has 2 little wings on it that you can adjust, and they lie under for 30 minutes to help lose the fat. And so they can melt the fat away, and that's a permanent fat loss, and then use the Exilis if they have loose skin to tighten that up.
How do you know which one's right for you? I would be so confused.
Well, it is confusing. That's why you should come in for a complimentary consultation, because we also do cool sculpting. We offer 3 different types of body contouring, and I think we're the only center in Wisconsin to offer all 3 types.
Okay.
And so by doing that, we're able to judge which one seems best, because cool sculpting, I think we've talked about before, you have to have pinchable locations of fat, and it's mainly the trunk. But with these other techniques, the Exilis can be used on any part of the body. And Vanquish is, again, mainly the trunk right now, although we're trying it, doing it on legs and doing it on other areas of the body as well.
And because it can take a little while for the results to show up, the sooner you have the treatment, then the sooner you can get to the point where you see results,
yes,
right?
Absolutely, that's true. So, you know, cool sculpting frequently is just 1 or 2 applications on the same area, and it might take 12 weeks to really see your final result. With this kind of thing, you might need 4 treatments in a row, about a week apart. And then you can see some good results. On the face, and when it's only the skin, we may do them every 2 to 3 weeks or 4 weeks apart, so that we don't have to do them weekly, because we're not going to accomplish anything by heating the skin more frequently when it takes so long for that collagen to rebuild.
Is this something that can be used proactively too, or is this really once you have an issue?
No, I think it really can. Anytime we want to rebuild collagen, and once we're in our mid-20s, we start to lose collagen, so it's not a bad treatment at all to have just as a proactive type of thing.
That's wonderful. What I think is great too about what you do is that you'll consult with people. So it's not as if you have to, in hearing these 3 different great treatments for body contouring, that you have to sort out or take a look at yourself in the mirror and figure out what's best for
that's
you.
Right.
You'll help people decide.
Absolutely. Come in, we will help you figure out what's going to be best for you and what's most cost effective for you to do, and the timeline that you're worried about, so that we can try to just customize it.
Will any of your December specials coming up include some of these treatments?
Absolutely, they will, and we'll be talking about our 12 days of Christmas again in a couple of weeks, and then through December. But right now we have started to sell our Christmas gift certificates. So if somebody buys a $100 gift card, they will also get a $20 holiday gift coupon that's good through the end of March. And so they get $20 more for every 100 they spend. And those can be applied, of course, to your own treatments and not just for friends.
I love that.
Great. All right, here's the information for the Wisconsin Vein Center and Medi-Spa. They're located on Georgetown Drive in Pewaukee. The phone number to make a consultation appointment is 262-746-9088 or wimedispa.com to view all of their services. Thanks for being here, Doctor.
Well, thank you very much.
It's exciting stuff.